Hello, everyone! Today, we're going to crochet this cute stuffed chick. It consists of 3 parts: the body, the cute wings, and the bow. Okay, then let's crochet it together. First, take out the yellow yarn. On your left hand, wrapping the yarn around our left hand. Everybody follow me to do this. Okay, like this. Then we make a loop. Put the end of the yarn under the yarn. The end of the yarn can be left longer. Okay, then put the crochet in this loop. Like this. Then we tie a slip knot. Put the crochet under the yarn and hook the yarn. Pull through the loop. Then we crochet a chain stitch that has a turning chain. Let's take a look at how the chain stitch is crocheted. Hook the yarn and pull through the loop. Okay, a chain stitch is done. In the first round, we need to crochet 8 single crochets. Then join me in learning how to crochet a single crochet. Crochet through the loop. Hook the yarn and pull through the loop. Now 2 loops on crochet. Then hook the yarn through these 2 loops. A single crochet is done. Take a look at your single crochet. The single crochet looks V-shaped. Then mark the first single crochet. Okay, like this. Then we crochet the second single crochet. Hook the yarn and pull through the loop. 2 loops on the crochet. Then hook the yarn through these 2 loops. Okay, the second single crochet is done. Next, we crochet the remaining 6 single crochets in the same way. The third single crochet. The fourth single crochet. Okay, after the 4 single crochets, we can make the loop a little smaller. Pull the end of the yarn. Like this. Then we continue to crochet. The 5th single crochet. The 6th single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the 7th single crochet. Then the 8th single crochet, the last stitch. Mark the last single crochet. Count the stitches. There are 8 single crochets. Stretch the yarn first. Then tighten this loop. Pull the end of the yarn. Like this is okay. Then we crochet the round 2. First, we need to crochet a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Just where we marked in yellow, crochet a slip stitch to connect. Crochet through in the first single crochet. Hook the yarn and pull it back. Now, 2 loops on the crochet. Hook the first loop through the second loop. Okay, the slip stitch is done. Then, before starting the second round of crochet, we need to crochet a chain stitch first. Okay, a chain stitch as a turning chain. Then round 2, we need to crochet 8 increases. An increase, 2 single crochets in each single crochet. First, crochet 2 single crochets in the first single crochet. Through in the first single crochet. Hook the yarn. 2 loops on the crochet. Hook the yarn and pull through 2 loops. Mark the first single crochet. Then, still in the first single crochet, crochet a single crochet again. The first increase is done. 1 increase equals 2 single crochets. Remove the marker. Then crochet the second increase in the second single crochet. If you can't see the stitch clearly, use a suture needle to find it first. Let's continue to crochet. Crochet 2 single crochets in the second single crochet. The second increase is done. Then the third increase. Crochet 2 single crochets in the third single crochet. Following the same method, we continue to crochet the remaining 5 increases. Then the last increase. 2 single crochets in the last single crochet. Mark the last single crochet. After round 2, there are 16 single crochets. Let's count the number of stitches. That's 16 single crochets, if you're not crocheting wrong. Then round 3, just 1 single crochet in each single crochet. There are 16 single crochets in total. First, crochet a slip stitch to connect. Hook the yarn. Then through the second loop. Okay, crochet a chain stitched as a turning chain. Okay, crochet a single crochet first. Mark it well. Remove the blue marker. Then 1 single crochet in each single crochet. Everyone crochets the 16 single crochets by yourself. Now let's crochet the last single crochet. Mark the last single crochet. Next, the round 4. We still need to crochet a slip stitch to connect. In this green, mark the first stitch. The first loop through the second loop. Then crochet a chain stitch as a turning chain. Round 4, 1 single crochet and 1 increase as a group. Repeat 8 times. First, crochet a single crochet. Mark the first single crochet. One increase equals to single crochets in each single crochet. Then crochet 2 single crochets in the second stitch. Okay, 1 single crochet and 1 increase are done. Next, crochet the remaining 7 groups in the same way. The second group. The third group. the fourth group. The fifth group. Then the sixth group. Then the seventh group. Then the last group. Mark the last stitch. In the fourth round, there are 24 single crochets. Count the stitches yourself. Then crochet a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Crochet a chain stitch as a turning chain. Then, rounds 5 to 7. Just crochet one single crochet in each single crochet. Crochet 24 single crochets per round. Be sure to see the stitches clearly and do not crochet more or less. Don't forget to mark the first and last stitches of each turn. Everyone crochets 5 to 7 rounds. A little more patience, a little more careful. I'm sure you can do this on your own. I'm not going to do that in this video, so you're crocheting. Now I'm on the last stitch of the 7th round. Have you finished crocheting? The last single crochet. Okay, the last single crochet is done. After the 7th round of crochet, remembering to mark the last stitch. Then crochet a slip stitch to connect. And then a chain stitch. Round 8. One single crochet and one decrease is a group. Crochet the first single crochet first. Mark it well. Then we need to crochet a decrease. A decrease equals to 2 single crochets are merged into one single crochet. Let me show you how to crochet with a decrease. Through the first stitch. Hook the yarn and pull it back. Then through the second stitch. Hook the yarn and pull it back. Then hook the yarn and through these 3 loops. Okay, a decrease is done. The first group is done. Then let's crochet the second group. 1 single crochet. Then a decrease. The second group is done. For the remaining 6 groups, follow the same method and you can do it yourself. Now, the last decrease. Okay, mark the last stitch. First a slip stitch and a chain stitch. Then, the last round, we need to crochet 8 decreases in a row. The first decrease. Then the second one. Then the last one decreases. Round 9 is the last round. We still need to crochet a slip stitch to connect. In the first single crochet, okay, it's done. Leave about 15 centimeters and cut the yarn. Okay, have a look. The main part is done. Then install the eyes. The side with the slip stitch is the back of the doll. The eyes need to be installed between the 4th and 5th rounds. There are 5 stitches between the eyes. There are 5 stitches between the eyes. We found the center between laps 4 and 5 on the front. Like this is okay. And then we're gonna immobilize the eyes internally with a plastic pad. Buckle them together. Okay, so one eye is in place. Then in the same way, install the other eye. Okay, the eyes are good. Place the stuffed cotton in the doll. Then we'll sew up the openings at the bottom. Use a suture needle to close it. Through the front loop of each stitch. Like this. Go through the front loop of each stitch once. Like this is okay. Then pull the end tight, and the opening will be sealed. Then hide the excess thread in the fabric. Then tie to knots. Hide the knots in the fabric. Okay, cut the excess yarn. Okay, the main part is done. Now, let's crochet the bow. Still in magic ring. like this. Then first 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then we crochet a double crochet. Let me show you how to crochet a double crochet. First, the crochet is wounded around the thread. Then through the loop. Then hook the yarn and pull it back. Now there are 3 loops on the crochet. Then hook the yarn again through the first 2 loops. Then hook the yarn again through the 2 loops. Okay, then crochet 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then crochet a slip stitch. Okay, then 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then crochet a double crochet again. First, the crochet is wounded around the thread. Then through the loop. Then hook the yarn and pull it back. Now there are 3 loops on the crochet. Then hook the yarn again through the first 2 loops. Then hook the yarn again through the 2 loops. Then crochet 3 chain stitches. Then a slip stitch. Okay, the last is 1 chain stitch. Okay, the bow is done. Then let's crochet the little wings. Find between round 5 and round 6. On both sides of the doll, find a symmetrical position. Then continue with the yellow yarn. like this. Hook the yarn. Then crochet 3 chain stitches. Okay, then in the second chain stitch, crochet a slip stitch. This place. Crochet a slip stitch. Then crochet a single crochet in the first chain stitch. Okay, then the last, crochet a slip stitch. Okay, cut the yarn. Leave a length of about 5 centimeters. Then hide excess yarn into the fabric. A wing is done. Then crochet the other wing in the same way. Then crochet the other wing in the same way. Okay, the wings is done. Then let's sew the bow. This place. finally sewing up the mouth. Okay, now our cute click is completed. See you in the next video.